Hi, hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tejas Kumar D. I am presently studying in MBA, Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering Studies. My topic is communication. Communication and structure of communication. Communication is very important in daily life. Without communication, the day cannot be start, and without communication, the day cannot be end. Communication. Communication is exactly important for each and everyone. So let us discuss about the communication concepts like introduction, meaning, type, structure of business communication, chart of business communication, and conclusion. So we can study about the meaning of communication. Meaning is it's a two-way process. The both sender and receiver uh, should be required. It's a process of exchanging the information, ideas, thoughts from one person to another person or from one place to another places without any without any mistakes or errors. Communication is very important in daily life because by the information can do each and everything and we can run the business correctly and perfectly. You can transfer the information from the sender to receiver. Receiver can receive the information and understand information, and later he can give the feedback to the information, or later he can reply the information. There are some channels to communicate the communication, like sending, messaging, channels, and receiver, decoding, and feedback. Meaning of business communication. Business communication is very important because without the communication the business cannot be run perfectly. Business communication means exchange the information or ideas or thoughts within the organization from top level to middle level or middle level to lower level. Examples in our college. The principal can communicate the some rules and regulation for HOD. So HOD can communicate to the teachers, and teachers will communicate to the students by the one for otherwise they communicating the information is known as business communication. Next, the types of communication is verbal communication, non-verbal communication, oral communication, written communication, location communication, formal communication, informal communication, and media communication. Verbal communication is exchange information from word to word, directly face to face, from person to person. Non-verbal communication is exchanging information by signs, by fingers, by eye contact, by showing some symbols is communicating. Oral communication means exchanging information directly from sender to receiver, directly from mouth to mouth or word to word. Written communication exchange information by newspapers, by magazines, by letters from one person to another person is very important in corporate field and daily life. Location communication exchange communication according to location from one person was there are two types of locations: internal location, external location. Exchange information within the locality of the area. External communication means exchanging information outside the area for outside persons. Next, formal communication exchange communication with official purpose with some rules, regulations, with directly or indirectly can be exchanged. Exchange informal communication exchange information with phones or mobiles, from radios, from medios and social media exchange can be exchange information. Media confirmation is a communication is a virtual communication. Exchange information, ideas, thoughts. It can be the virtual media. It help example social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram, Twitter, etc. Now, structure of business communication. Structure of business communication in the organization there is structure to communicate the information by otherwise like formal, informal, diagnostic, centralized, and decentralized. So let us discuss about the briefly about the form structure of business communication. Is formal communication. Formal communication means exchange the information or passing the information from top level to mid level to low level. So mid level can identify the information and it should pass to lower level. A lower level can identify information and helpful to reply or work in the organization is formal communication. Informal communication without any rules and regulations. Either top level can be exchange information or low level can be exchange information between top and low and mid and low is known as informal communication. Next, diagnostic communication. Diagnostic communication is a communication which communicate the information according to department wise, according to their department wise, according to the colleagues. So it can be easy, can understand, and there are no rules and regulations. They can be easily exchange information or ideas thoughts. What is centralized communication? Centralized communication is a communication which expands the information from the top level to low level with some rules and regulations. The low level cannot be entered to communicate the information. Okay, decentralization means communicate the information from downward upward. From the top level manager should be also listen the communication what they are trying because of the development of the organization. These are the chart of business communication. A chart of business communication is followed by organization communication chart. First is formal communication, informal communication, and downward communication, upward communication, horizontal communication. Conclusion: without the communication, the information cannot be passed. Without the communication, the way of can be started, the business cannot be run, and we cannot be control and monitor the business. Communication is very important in the each and every life. In every country and every location, it should be very each and very important. Without the communication, there is no entertainment, no motivation, no leaderships, and no no nothing from the communication. Thank you. Please do like and subscribe.